Hello, good morning guys. JM nga pala. And for today, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel duplicate meetings in Microsoft Outlook without notifying the attendees or the participants. Madalas to nangyayari sa mga um, BAs or executive assistants na mahilig mag-plot ng scheduled meeting or those na nagkaroon ng synchronization issues sa calendar nila sa Outlook. So, ngayon, gumawa ko ng tatlong test meeting, I mean identical meeting. So, i-get rid natin yung dalawa and we will retain one kasi nga they are duplicate entries. So, you can easily identify duplicate entries in your calendar if you go to view, change a view, and then hit this list, and then you will see um, same time, start, and then end, same lang din. So, ayun, nakita natin na duplicate entries talaga sila. So, just go back to our calendar view. Um, Now, you can do this via uh, Outlook Classic. Hindi pa siya available sa new version ng Outlook. So, you have to switch to Classic Outlook if you are currently using the new version. Now, first thing to do would be to click the send receive button here and then click the work offline button. Now, pag nakita nyo na tong working offline, so that means disconnected na kayo sa Exchange or sa M365 server. So, uh, if you're done with that, um, let's go open the duplicate entries or just right click on it, hit the cancel button, and then click send cancellation. Lahat ng duplicate entries do the same steps. Hit cancel, and then click the send cancellation button. So now meron na lang tayong one entry. So that's good. Now this will be the crucial part. Um, Go to mail, and then makikita nyo sa outbox. Nandito yung dinelete natin na entries, yung duplicate entries. Make sure you delete this one, this entries as well. Now, go to trash or deleted items sa mga naka-normal na Outlook. Since Gmail tong akin, um, Gmail account ko to na sinign in ko lang sa Outlook. So, just for the sake of testing, makikita natin sa trash, nandito yung kinancel natin na uh, meeting. So, that's good. Now, if you go in here, naka-work offline pa tayo. So, we're still safe. Hindi magsasend yung kung ano mang ginawa natin. So, ang magiging subject niya, if masend siya, would be this one, canceled test. Yan yung marireceive ng recipients or yan yung makikita natin sa sent items natin kung nagtuloy yung cancellation email dun sa mga recipients. So, now, let's test. Go to send receive tab again and then hit the work offline button once more, and then makikita mo sa baba connected. So that means connected na ulit tayo sa Exchange. So we're live. Now, let's see if makikita natin sa sent mail natin yung um, cancel email. So nandito tayo sa trash. Dapat ang makikita natin sa sent items natin is canceled test dun sa subject. So let's go back and read. So wala. So yun lang. Yun yung trick kung paano nyo i-cancel yung duplicate entries or duplicate meetings without notifying the participants. So If you like this video, just hit share or just like the video and follow for more. Thank you.